Welcome everyone for another video of Nifty Banknifty's tomorrow's trade plan and important zones which I'll be focusing. Tomorrow is an RBI policy day. The event day is there. So let's see how the prices might behave today based on the RBI monetary policy. So yeah, let's take first what happened on today's session based on the video which I shared yesterday. Bank Nifty there was not much trade coming in, but on the Nifty here price was trying to come down from here. There was a small upside momentum failed and price came down. So clean bearish candle here below this candle low was a short and SL above this was an easy plan which I've already mentioned. With 16,950 put option price easily drag back down and make sure we are received around say 1 is to 2 ka risk reward. Okay. So moving on the Bank Nifty there was not much trade. Even if you are checking, if we are checking more on towards Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is already the move was done. It's almost 1:32 p.m. Price was just in the overlapping mode. So anything beyond 1:30, the market already the movement is done. Now we can't expect the price to further drag down. That's no point in expecting and further drag down. Okay, so let's see what happens for tomorrow. Nifty's plan for tomorrow's trading session. First of all, Nifty more or like this is a continuous future contract. So as per this continuous future contract, the close is around 16,847 levels. So tomorrow, if the video, I'll be closely checking first what the sellers are doing for tomorrow's trading session. That will be a crucial factor for me. So I'll be checking what's the seller's reaction. Mainly, I'll be closely monitoring the seller's price behavior below this previous day's low. Okay, below the previous low, that is in a range of 16. Below anything below the previous day's low, I'll be closely checking what's the sellers reaction. Are the sellers are trying to come? If they are trying to come, price coming to the zone, getting a rejection, trying to move up, reversing back down, and if I'm getting a close clearly below 16,780 levels, here I'll be looking for a bearish candle formation like this or a bearish rejection candle formation like this. That will make me to plan my bearish trade below the candle low with SL placed above the candle high with few points buffer. And again, if the candle range is more than 75 points, I'll be avoiding. Your expected price to tag 16,680 and below levels or 1 is to 2 per risk reward. What is meant by this or 1 is to 2 per risk reward? Let's say in the future, if I'm getting a stop loss of 40 points, okay, 1 is to 2 is 80 points. So once I'm getting 80 points, I'll be booking my profits. I'll be not waiting for this 1680 levels to tag, or before 1 is to 2, if I'm getting 16,680 ka levels, I'll be booking my profits. Here the option strike price I'll be choosing will be 16,750 ka put option will be my option strike price. I'll be choosing here on the Nifty's bearish trade plan. I believe traders everyone have subscribed this channel. If not, make sure to subscribe this channel, and everyone you can watch this 11 learning video. It can help you a lot on your intraday trading. So again, moving on the Bank Nifty, first of all for tomorrow's session, price closing here, this is a congested overlapping sideways price behavior where the price was more overlapping. This was because there was monthly expiry just to trap traders, those who are more excited to do zero trading or just who are late to this downside, want to expecting the price to further moving down, looking at this down moves, chasing and taking a put option have been trapped like anything because it's a monthly expiry. Generally stop loss triggering trapping will be there obvious. So for tomorrow I'll be closely looking at this 2 days low. Okay, this is days previous, that is 28th September's low. The price trying to come to the zone, getting a rejection, trying to move up, reversing back down. Here I'll be looking for an bearish candle like this or a bearish rejection candle like this, whichever is forming first, with candle clearly closing below 35,650 levels below the candle low. I'll be planning my short side trade with SL placed above the candle high, and again if the candle range is more than 170 points, I'll be avoiding, or else I'll be trying to execute my trades on the downside. Here the option strike price I'll be choosing will be 37,700. Put option will be my option strike prices that I'll be choosing here for expected target of 37,400 levels or 1 is to 2 risk reward, whichever is coming first. This is where I'll be planning to booking my profits on the Bank Nifty's option trades. These are the levels. Let's see tomorrow market what's the price behavior, because now it becomes very crucial almost trading sessions are trying to close near day's low. The trend on a broader time frame, shorter time frame, it's looking bearish only. Any bullishness mainly on the intraday for tomorrow's session. Any bullishness on Bank Nifty, minimum price has to sustain above this 38,300 levels. Then any upside momentum possibilities are there. Let's see what's the scenario getting developed. So traders, I believe everyone have already joined the Telegram channel. If not, the link is available in the description. You can join the Telegram channel also. Okay. So meanwhile, anyone have any doubts on the level, you can comment in the chat box, comment sections. Okay, or you can message me on Telegram. So in for today's tip of the day for intraday trading is all about manage your risk. When it comes to managing risk, try to understand, you have to be very clear enough in what you are doing, how much loss you will be facing if the trade end up on a stop loss hitting. You need to be very clearly aware of it, and after the loss you should be very calm enough. If you are frustrating, that means you are trading in a wrong position sizing. You have to reduce